Hey Math 8, what's up? Today we are going to talk about calculating square and cube numbers. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let's do some recall. Take a moment, remind yourself, what does it mean to square something, and what does it mean to cube something? Take that moment, think about it, write it down. Alright, so now if we take a look at this, remember this is called 4 squared, or 4 to the second, or 4 to the power of 2. They're all the same. Right, so take a second, remember what that 4 is, remember what that 2 is. Alright, so remember that we're going to take the base, which is this 4, this is our base, and we are going to multiply it by itself the number of times that the exponent says. And in this case, the exponent is the 2. So up here, that 2 is our exponent. Right, so we're going to take this 4, we're going to multiply it by itself twice. So let's do purple. So here's my 4 squared, which changes to 4 times 4, that base multiplied to itself the number of times our exponent says. Now, do not leave your answer as 4 times 4. We can figure out what 4 times 4 is. So we're really going, don't go sideways. We're really going to say that 4 squared is the equivalent of 16. And 16 is our answer. All right, take a minute, try these ones. Pause the video until you finished. All right, so now let's talk about cubes, right? Cube numbers. So remember that when we square something, when we take it to the power of 2, we're multiplying it by itself twice. So instead, with cubes, we're going to take the base and multiply it to itself 3 times, because a cube means 3. So if we have this 5 cubed, 5 to the third, the base for this one is 5. Our exponent is 3. You guys with me? So if I have 5 to the third, let's break that down. What does it look like? We're going to have 5 times 5 times 5. That base times itself, the number of times our exponent tells us. Again, don't leave this as your answer. We can do the math of what 5 times 5 is, which is 25, and then we still had that other 5 left over. 25 times 5, if I've got 5 quarters, how much money do I have? I have $1.25. So 5 cubed is the equivalent of 125. And that's going to be our answer. All right. Not super hard, maybe not super easy, but it's definitely not super hard. And it gets a lot easier the more often that you do it. So now, again, this is going to be the end of that video, but pause the video, try these ones. All right, again, that's all that I got for today. See you later. Love you. Bye.